out to Yvonne's first event. Well, semi-finals. Mine's after hers. We're walking to breakfast. It was such a packed day yesterday, but we both made all the semi-finals.
Yep.
The internet sucked. Results wouldn't come out. Live stream quality was terrible. But we made it. That's the important part. We're right next to a giant park and there's lots of peacocks just running around. Beautiful puzzle. Decent time. I don't know how I placed, but I think I'm safe for the next round. Sweet. Those gorgeous prizes. Beautiful stuff. Trophy prizes? They're puzzle prizes, of course. Some of these might be hard to take back in suitcases, but oh my gosh, so cool. When puzzle people get together, they puzzle. Oh, I got some food. Jamon croquetas and Fanta. And more puzzle people. We're taking over this bar. This is violet bread, Pandey violet. It comes from a local factory. Delicious. Hi. Lobster somethings. And this is a prize-winning octopus. What a day. We had individuals and pairs semi-finals, which was a lot of puzzling. And for individuals, we got confirmed to the finals tomorrow. Pairs, well, the results will come out at some point, but I think we're gonna get into the finals. And then tomorrow we have team semi-finals as well. It's gonna be a full day and I'm really tired. And we also did some practice, so it was a lot of puzzling today. And that's the day.